Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 70 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this 1/3 scale partwork, folks. Let's have a quick scoot through today's magazine and see what we've got. You got To a Better Future, the second half with a comic book tone. The double finale there is Data File. You've got nano machines and background of the movie shooting. Today's parts, continuing the left arm, we've got the bicep going in and an inner cover plate going in. Gradually the arm is taking shape, as you can see. This is what's going to be at the end of the completed issue today and where it's going to be situated on our RoboCops, folks. Next up, you've got 100 Years of Robots there. Samsung's Bot Care and Bot Handy robots, as unveiled at CES in 2021. Willow Garage's PR2 robot. Programmable matter, self-transformation in response to stimuli, and manipulating matter at the nanoscale. Scary technology in it, folks. And then obviously a type of putty that creates tools and weapons like spanners and things. Really is fascinating how it's going. So that's the magazine done. We'll scoot back, we'll grab our bits and we'll put them on the bench and we'll start a bit of assembly for you folks, okay? Right, this is where we are so far with the arm. Like that. So that's what we've been up to. So we're going to put that on the bench and grab our bicep. You've got 2 little pins each side of this. And they're going to go in here, one there and one there. So we'll orientate that around. Let's get a bit of dust off there. There you go. And that's going to situate itself just in them 2 little pins. Right down in there. Let's try and get that in view for you. Right down in there like so. Like that. Pop. This part then is going to go over there. It's got the same 2 pegs or 2 holes for the pegs to go in this side and obviously a little cap there that's going to go over here. So what I want to do is just line that up so that I can see that the 2 pins are going in. Just like so. And then we can put that cap in place like that. There you go, and that's now pinching them in situ. I'm happy with that. We can then grab a bit of oil for the screw. Like so. And then pinch that all together. Straight over my knuckle like that and hone the screw. And join that assembly together like that. And that's what we've got. We've got a nice solid feel to the thing. And then you've got your bicep firmly held in place. And you've got a nice little shroud around your arm. So it is really beginning to take shape now, folks. So that's that done for today. Nice and short and easy. And that's what you should now have on your benches as well, folks, okay? So if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build this iconic partwork, pop over to the Fanhome website, click the link below in the description and it will take you straight there. Pop. And you too can be building this 1/3 scale RoboCop, folks. In the meantime, to help me out, you can just give little Fester a click in the corner there. Subscribe to the channel, helps me grow the channel. Also, give the bell a ring. That way you'll get notified of future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.